Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 in virtual reality. First, make sure your virtual reality headset is fully connected and ready. Then, launch Steam VR before you even think about starting the game. Next, right-click Euro Truck Simulator 2 in your Steam library, go to Properties, and find the launch options. Here, you'll need to type in OpenVR to tell the game to use your virtual reality headset. This crucial step gets you ready to hit the virtual roads. Once you are in the game, optimizing your graphics settings is key for a smooth virtual reality experience. You will want to adjust the overall scaling down, perhaps to 100% or even 90%, and reduce mirror quality. Experiment with anti-aliasing. Sometimes turning it off completely or using a lower setting like 2 times can make a big difference. Disabling advanced weather effects can also significantly boost your frame rate, ensuring a more comfortable and fluid trucking journey. To truly immerse yourself, a good steering wheel and pedal set are highly recommended. They provide unparalleled realism. Take time to configure your head tracking sensitivity so that looking around feels natural and comfortable, preventing any motion sickness. Adjust the in-game camera position to perfectly align with your actual seating arrangement, making it feel like you are truly in the truck's cabin. Finally, consider using a button box or memorizing keyboard shortcuts for quick access to essential functions. If you encounter any issues, a few troubleshooting steps can often resolve them. Always ensure your graphics drivers are updated to their very latest version. This is a common fix for many virtual reality problems. Also, check your virtual reality headset software for any pending updates. Closing unnecessary background applications can free up valuable system resources, improving performance. If problems persist, online communities are a fantastic resource for finding solutions tailored to specific hardware configurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.